Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tom Brady biography and lifestyle. Full name Tom Brady. Born on 3 August 1977, age 43 years. Gender male. Height 6 feet 3 inches. Profession American football player. Nationality United States of America. Residence St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay. Marital status married. Source of wealth professional football endorsement investment. Net worth $200 million. Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr. is an American professional football player who is the quarterback for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers of the National Football League. He spent his first 20 seasons with the New England Patriots, where he was a central contributor to the franchise's dynasty from 2001 to 2019. Brady is widely considered to be the greatest quarterback of all time. After playing college football at Michigan, Brady was selected 199th overall by the Patriots in the 6th round of the 2000 NFL draft, earning him a reputation as the NFL's biggest draft steal. Brady led the Patriots to 17 division titles, 13 AFC Championship games, 9 Super Bowl appearances and 6 Super Bowl titles, all NFL records for a player and franchise. He joined the Buccaneers in 2020 and led them to win Super Bowl, extending his individual records to 10 Super Bowl appearances and 7 victories. Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr. was born in San Mateo, California on 3 August 1977, the only son and fourth child of Galen Patricia and Thomas Brady Sr. He has 3 older sisters, Nancy, Julie, and Maureen, and was raised as a Catholic. His father is of Irish descent, while his mother has German, Norwegian, Polish, and Swedish ancestry. 2 of Brady's great-great-grandparents on his father's side, John and Bridget Brady, were Irish refugees from the Great Famine who moved to San Francisco from Boston before the American Civil War. They were accompanied by Bridget's sister Anne and her husband Lawrence Megan, the parents of the 19th century American Major League Baseball player Steady Pete Megan. Brady's great-uncle Michael Buckley Jr. was the first American prisoner of war in World War II. College career. Brady played college football at the University of Michigan from 1995 to 1999. He was a backup quarterback for his first 2 years, while teammate and future NFL quarterback Brian Grease led the 1997 Wolverines to an undefeated season. When he enrolled at Michigan, Brady was 7th on the depth chart, and he has an intense struggle to get some playing time at one point. Brady hired a sports physiologist to help him cope with frustration and anxiety. He even considered transferring to Cal Berkeley's football program. He worked closely with assistant athletic director Greg Harden, who met with Brady every week to build his confidence and to maximize his performance on the field. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.